Người làm sao mà tin được người đất sau khi trong tim còn mang một ngàn vết hồng. Thích người ta nhưng vẫn chưa lời lối sau. Đây cầm tâm người ta before mình cắt đâm vai. What the fuck, yeah.
How much? Huh? 20? 1.
Bibili siya ng baboy. Yan. Sigigil niya sa harap mo. Tapos, diretso na kain. Sobrang sarap.
Guys, first mukbang of this night. Ang ingay. Mabango siya. Baboy siya, pork. Kami. Matamit mo siya. Sarap. Parang niyo sino? Try mo. Tapos, gano'n ng ganisa? Tapos ka...
Suriso.
Chorizo, oh guys.
Suriso. So now we're gonna try it live.
So, yun na guys. Parang ang sarap nito. Uy! May pagulay-gulay din siya kung gusto mong haluan ng gulay. So, our second mukbang for tonight.
Very bad. Okay.
Ewan, tamis.
Sarap.
Masarap.
Suriso. Suriso.
Chorizo. Chorizo. Sarap.
So this pudding is the sauce. Bayad na ka? Bayad na ka?
Yes, done.
Dire ka. She will try it.
Guys,
Seafood.
ang spicy niya, ano, yung amoy pa lang spicy na. Ito, parang ano, yung mga kamay ng squid. Kailan ko ha? Sauce mo na. Anghang! Ang sarap! Sobrang anghang! Ah, sobrang anghang!
Yung flavor niya is parang hot and spicy na may pagka-sweet na may coriander
Ang tasty
na
ng
may
ano.
halo na
tasty
yung lasa niya.
Sarap, anghang lang. Okay,
So this
one
is mixed. You will pay
50
50
baht.
baht. Mix na.
This one.
So try ni Beaches kung
Up, tap.
kainin ng
And this one. Tap.
ano ba yan?
This one. Only like 3.
Tingnan mo.
Wait lang. This one, 2. Only few.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลสุกไม่แตก
Grasshopper?
น้ำติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดร
Pusin mo ah.
OMG. What is this? Shrimp. Shrimp.
ฟิล์มเซรามิก
Yeah.
Shrimp chin.
ไฮโดรเจล
Okay lang, shrimp. Kawakan lang ako, shrimp.
This one, frog.
น้ำติดฟิล์ม
What?
Frog.
I know, no, not
Frog.
frog.
You don't like frog?
Good. Okay,
Try it, try
I'll
it.
try.
น้ำติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดร
Just
You
one.
don't have, scorpion?
ฟิล์มเซรามิก
No scorpion? Scorpion?
Scorpion.
ฟิล์มเซรามิก
Scorpion.
Wala silang scorpion.
Oh, none.
สุกไม่แตกขึ้นนะคะ
Kato.
What is this?
เซรามิก
Calendar?
สุกไม่แตกขึ้นนะคะ
Okay.
น้ำติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลสุกไม่แตกขึ้นนะคะ
Yeah. That
Yeah,
one,
yeah.
grasshopper.
ฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลสุกไม่แตกขึ้นนะคะ
OMG.
ขึ้นนะคะ
Ito na yung
Ito na
the
yun.
moment of truth.
Parang nagsisituloy ako, pero mag-try tayo sa pinakamaliit. Ito.
ฟิล์มเซรามิก
Ito na uod.
สุกไม่แตกขึ้นนะคะ
One.
น้ำติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลสุกไม่แตกขึ้นนะคะ
Okay lang.
Anong lasa?
เซรามิก
Parang chicharon.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Okay.
สุกไม่แตก
Pero may aftertaste siya.
น้ำติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Is it good?
แตกขึ้นนะคะ
Maalat. Para siya may soy sauce.
Nilagyan kasi siya ng soy sauce eh.
Team Hydrogel.
At saka medyo manghang. Ito.
That's the beetle.
Ito yun naman yung mataba na uod.
Hydrogel ตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Release po dong.
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮ
Yeah,
โดรเจล
daw bitaw na.
ตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Ito.
ตกไม่แตก
Beetle. That's the beetle.
นับ
Beetle.
That's the beetle.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Pero hindi ko feel kumakainin yung ulo. Para feel ko yung katawan na lang.
ฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
Shrimp.
Shrimp, parang siyang shrimp head.
Shrimp. Parang shrimp head lang, no?
Okay. How does it taste? Parang shrimp lang. Masarap siya.
Kumakain naman talaga ako ng ano, ng ulo ng shrimp.
Yeah.
นับติดฟิล์มเซ
I'm
รามิก
waiting for the frog.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Mm.
ตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Dito yung favorite ko, yung shrimp.
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
I'm waiting for the frog.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Next.
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
Beetle pa rin yan eh.
ฟิล์มไฮ
This
โดร
one.
เจล
What is that?
ตกไม่แตก
Pupa.
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 นับ
I don't know what's
ฟิล์ม
pupa.
เซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Ano, chicharon?
ฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Maalat kasi siya, may taste kaya hindi ka,
ขอบคุณนะคะ
parang,
นับติดฟิล์ม
Masarap.
เซรามิก
ito,
ไฮโดรเจล
eh,
ไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Ito mo eh. Yung reaction mo
นับ
eh.
ติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
ano
ฟิล์
to?
มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณ
Ano
นะคะ
to?
That's the...
Ito ata, calendar?
ฟิล์ม
Calendar?
ไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Siyempre, hindi ko kainin yung ulo, no?
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
Katawan lang.
Kainin mo buo. Whole.
ตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Parang sunog na chicharon.
เซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Eh?
ตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Ito ata
นับ
to.
ติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
La Super.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณ
Grabe mukbang to.
นับติดฟิล์ม
La Super.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจ
To
ล
be honest, hindi kasi ako kumakain ng ulo kahit ano, kahit sa,
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Ah, sarap.
ไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับ
Parang
ติด
chicharon.
ฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Last is
uy, ang
the...
laki naman
นั
ito.
บติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
That's the grasshopper.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
Okay.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Buo mo kasi kainin.
ขอบคุณนะคะ
Yung ano niya,
นับ
yung
ติด
ikog.
ฟิล์มเซรามิก
Buntot niya,
ฟิล์ม
buntot.
ไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Paa!
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Yeah, eat it whole.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Kainin mong buo.
May aftertaste to. Pangit!
ติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
Pangit ang aftertaste niya. Buntot
Kailangan
pa lang
buo,
yun.
buo.
Ayoko.
นับติด
At saka ang sakit ng ano niya, ng ano paa niya.
ตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Hindi ko bet.
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
Huy, tabang. Ano to?
ไฮโดรเจล
Frog, that's the frog.
This one.
นับติด
Cricket.
ฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Cricket, be!
Okay.
แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
เรื่องจะเล่าให้ฟังด้วยแหละ
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
ถูกตังค่ะ
นับติด
Sim, saan ito may aftertaste?
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
แล้วความ
นับ
เย็น
ติด
Gusto mo yan eh.
ฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Tama yun. Ano ba?
ไปเปิดกล้องวงจรปิดกันแล้ว
Ah!
นับติด
Ano to? Ay!
That's the frog.
ไฮโดรเจล
Frog?
That's the frog.
Frog.
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
Kasi walang ano, walang scorpion.
ไม่แตกขอบคุณ
Frog daw ako ngayon.
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิกฟิล์มไฮโดรเจลตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะนับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
เจอดอกแล้วก็ตามผ่าน
ตกไม่แตกขอบคุณนะคะ
Parang, alam mo yung sa manok, yung bones na crispy?
ตกไม่แตกขอบคุณ
Ganon. Eh, may ikaw kumain ng manok na ano, ng buto ng manok, di ba? Ganun lang.
ขอบคุณนะคะ
Yung kainin yung ulo talaga. Yung parang ulo.
Pero shrimp kinakain mo.
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
So far, yun lang. Ay, ano to? I eat this already, pupa. I eat this already.
Okay na.
นับติดฟิล์มเซรามิก
Masarap.
ฟิล์มไฮโดรเจล
Masarap mo ba yan? Ayaw ko lang ito ng grasshopper at saka yung ano mo.
ฟิล์มเซรามิก
May aftertaste.
ไฮโดรเจล
Papa,
Hilatin mo.
go.
Para mawala yung ano, lasa nung nakain ko kanina, parang gusto kong kumain ng sweet. So, itry natin itong pancake something nila. Ano
Thai
to,
pancake.
Hi! How much? One? 35 baht daw for one. Pag lalagyan niya, okay. Ay, wait.
Lalayang flavor ka ng lalayang flavor ka ng may chocolate.
Kani? This one?
Yung may chocolate. Yeah.
So ito daw yung pancake nila, guys. Parang crispy lang siya na may na may cream sa gitna. Matamis siya kaya kailangan ko to para mawala yung lasa ng mga insekto sa bibig ko. Icing siya, pero ibang lasa pagka icing, parang lumalevel up na icing ng cake. Masabi. At saka yung
Para
hindi mo
siyang,
siya, yung parang wafer niya, hindi siya pancake. Hindi siya matamis, kaya pag kinumpay mo yung dalawa, parang kumain ka ng cake na crispy. Masarap. Of course, iba talo yung yodong.
ano siya, para siyang icing na may Tapos wafer. Kaya mo kainin buo.
Sarap. Tamis ba?
Tamis.
Masarap siya, guys.
Ta.
Sarap. Kaya pangkat. Kaya yan. Tapos na ako sa reporter na yan. Sarap.
Bet lang, ako na yung kaunan. Bili ko. Kaya mo yung tissue. Tamis. Tulak na sugar nito.
Guys, juicy bread daw yun, guys. Masarap daw yun, guys. Pero hindi ko muna kain kasi ang dami ko na matamis ngayon.
Saan po
We're
na
looking for barbecue. Oh, MG. Marami palang seafoods dito,
Ako, Sid ni Marat.
Ay, Sushi Nation. Guys, Sushi Nation.
No, Rat. This is 60 baht. You can mix it. Yeah.
10,
60 baht.
20,
This is
2,
pork.
4, 60 baht. 60.
So I'm gonna try their
Pork, guys.
pork street food. Parang humba.
Humba?
Mm.
Patingin nga.
แวะดูก่อนได้นะจ๊ะ
Parang humba
น
daw
ม
siya,
สด
guys.
จ้า แวะดูก่อนได้จ้า
Baboy na
Tama
baboy,
na.
ting.
Oh.
กินละ60ครับ
This
I
one.
want to
เลือก
eat,
ได้ครับผม
eat, eat,
ก็ได้
eat. Okay.
Ito naman yung isang flavor.
ตัวร้อยเดียวจ้า แวะดูก่อนได้นะ
Iba ba flavor niya?
Tatlo eh. Masarap talaga ito pag may rice. Kaya hindi ako nag-rice eh.
Guys, 10 baht each daw siya. Parang mochi ba to? Mochi.
Egg
Egg
tart.
tart. Wow. Egg tart. So, I'll choose one strawberry. Ang soft niya, oh. Jelly. And blueberry. Ting ding! And Oreo. Ting ding!
Mango.
Ito, ha?
Mango.
Durian man ito. Durian. Mangga to? Mangga to? This is mango? Mango? No. Milk. And chocolate.
Buko.
Ting ding!
The other one.
Which
The
one?
last one.
This one?
The last one, the orange
Where?
one.
This one?
Yeah.
Tea.
Ay,
Imagine.
buko na lang. Buko.
Coconut. Ting ting ting.
Gold rin.
60 dirham. 60 baht. Wala. Pay mo na bago kain, no? So, una kong tikman na egg tart is the durian.
Yan ang egg tart. I don't know what's that.
Egg tart. Durian, guys.
Para siyang mochi, no?
Ay! Masarap ng durian. Parang kumakain ng durian candy sa Davao.
Next. Ano yan ako?
Oreo. Oreo. So, parang mang di Oreo, parang mang chocolate jam.
Okay. Next.
Strawberry.
Strawberry.
Masarap yung strawberry. Masarap may ano. May strawberry din sa ilalim na parang mga solid. Aside sa...
Yung lips mo puro na ano.
Next. Blueberry.
Para siyang mochi, no? Mochi ba talaga? Mochi yata ito eh.
Blueberry, may something nito sa loob. Parang sa strawberry, oh. Tignan mo.
Buko.
Buko, buhay ko. Coconut.
Hindi mo nakain yung sa gitna.
Masarap.
Ano pinakamasarap?
Matamis. Ito last, chocolate. May mga brownies, pero hindi ko ba yung brownies eh. Mga ganito lang na ipeg. Dark chocolate.
Kanino ah?
Kokwa, tablia. Dark na dark. Parang walang halong milk. Dark. Chocolate talaga. Legit. Ah?
Okay. Mana? Which one is the best?
Chocolate.
Alright.
Oh.
So, ako po ang uubos ng lahat ng kinain niya. Ano to?
Sabi siya, hati lang naman tayo.
This
Blueberry.
one is
Ano, the Oreo. The
Isang
Oreo.
tubo ko lahat.
Oh, yes.
Mochi to eh.
Ha?
Ito yung egg tart. Mochi. Mochi.
Masarap.
Up. Next is the blueberry. Mayroon siya. Ang
Ang
ganda
lambot,
nakabet
no?
ko. Masarap. Blueberry.
Ang lumpia, ang alambot, no?
Strawberry. Ano to?
Dorian. Coconut. Pangtanggal umay. Chocolate. Dark chocolate.
Sa lahat, chocolate lang yung nakabalot. Ba't kaya?
I don't know. Para siyang latik na ano, na binubud. Charot.
Blueberry sa akin yung pinakamasarap.
Blueberry. Okay, wow.
Wala.
Wee. What's the name? I forgot the name.
Like coated
Name?
fruits.
What name?
Strawberry crepe.
Crepe?
Strawberry big crepe.
Strawberry and then nakalimutan yung pangalan, i-search nyo na lang guys, Google, available on Google. Sikat to Southeast Asia. 50 baht. Yan. So gusto ko ito.
50 baht yung isa?
Oh,
150 baht?
oo. Ano, kani or kani? Kani na lang na?
Mix na lang. Kanang mix na lang.
Ah. Sige, ito na lang. Dah, kapag ka.
Sige na, kauna na.
So guys, alam kasi siya kasi mag-fall siya eh. Ang bango. Picture sa kuna.
Sige na.
Okay, 1, 2, ready, go.
Parang niluluto.
Jelly man ito, hindi man katong crispy. Jelly siya.
Niluluto siya dun eh.
Jelly.
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 Not crispy.
No sugar, may jelly.
Niluluto siya dun.
Iba siya. Actually kasi dapat matigas siya. Crispy siya pag kinain. Ito jelly lang siya, guys.
Okay.
A few moments later.
Nagulat ako, guys. Kasi akala ko maliit lang siya na beer. Ano lang, parang starting lang namin ni Dodong dito. Pagbigay, ang laki-laki. Hi. Ang laki-laki. Ang laki-laki pala, guys. Kaya nasa kira ko. Yun lang.
Oh,
Ikaw lang na
look
mag-rice.
at that. Ito yung, ano yun?
Parang
Crispy pork with rice, tsaka yung red pork
Red
with
pork.
red pork. Siya ayaw niyang mag-rice eh. Try ko lang
Pero may
mag-rice.
sabaw, guys.
May sabaw siya. Masarap naman siya pag may sabaw.
ay, kabungkap.
Yan. Oh,
Titaste ko lang naman.
Grabe yung
Pero
food
siya
trip
kira ko
natin
sa beer.
ngayon,
Ang laki ng beer. Okay nga, taste ko ngayon sabaw. Parang
ano muna ang baboy?
kalasa lang yung ano sa karinderya na may libreng sabaw.
May palibreng sabaw ni auntie.
Katong libreng sabaw ni Auntie, Susan. Ito, tayo natin to. Pork, red, something.
100 baht lang yan.
Ito matamis.
Ito baboy, 80 baht with rice na to. Ang sa akin.
Hindi naman siya tosino.
Ito yung isa, tingnan mo ito isa.
Pero matamis.
Yung isa, tingnan mo ito isa.
Ito?
May kasama pang itlog, 80 baht lang.
Okay na, sige. Try ko nga. Bet kasi ni Dudong yung baboy. Alam mo naman niyo kung saan kami pupunta. Baboy talaga yung bet niya.
Mas masarap kasi pag may baboy.
Maraming baboy na. Magumba. Tamis.
Alright.
Matamis. Paningot ko da.
Sawadee-krap!
So it's our first stop before kami darating.
Today is our second day tour here in Thailand.
Yes.
So today we're going to Maeklong train
Railway.
station. And
It's our first stop here in the gasoline station.
so now it's our first stop. She's buying a pork barbecue. What's that?
Pork barbecue. Sarap. Sarap.
15.
Okay, you want?
60 baht.
Kapun ka. Wow.
Ah.
Tawad pa. Dito po kami is nasa nga dito kami na spot. May mga masasarap po siya milk tea or smoothie. So dito kami banda maghintay ng train. Wow! Mango
Only 60
smoothie.
baht.
60 baht sa Maeklong Railway Market.
So ito na naman, umorder na naman kami ng tom yum. Masarap to. Ibang klase pagkaluto nito. Ewan ko lang kumanghang. Tingnan mo nga kumanghang.
Anghang yung ano?
Sabi ko hindi masyadong manghang eh.
Hindi masyadong anghang. Sakto lang.
Okay.
Manageable. It's a yes.
And our second dish, Pork basil with rice. Rice na naman. Akala ko mag-aaboy na kami ng rice. Yan. Tignan mo na.
Ha?
And ito sana yung appetizer namin eh. Kaya lang, late siya. So, okay lang yun. Maraming.
Wow! Ang ganda dito, Teng. Gutom ka rin dito, parang mahal. OMG, pabili mo lang yan ng 50 baht sa ano, sa Kausan. Ayan. Seafood gusto mo, Ben? So, bumili kami ng fried pork. Masarap, Col. Masarap daw. Masarap. Kain din ako. Lagi namin ito sa rice sa street food dito sa Kausan. Ba't ng wow. One bite.
So here we are again trying the sticky mango rice here in the streets of Bangkok. First bite?
50
Or
baht na po
that's
siya.
the fifth bite already? How does it taste? Still the best? Oh,
Ang tamis.
just really enjoying the sticky mango
Nakaka-addict.
rice here in Bangkok. So addictive.
50 baht na po siya sa
It only cost us around 50 baht. We're gonna eat it again tomorrow. Bye-bye!
So we decided to order McDonald's here in Thailand. Try namin yung McDonald's nila. Sawadee ka.
Nataming.
Tada! Waiting lunch. 15 minutes lunch. Haha. Hello guys. Masarap din pala yung manok ng McDonald's nila. Para sa Pinas ang So, nag-buy po si Dudong. Basta pork talaga, eh, mag-heart talaga yung mata niya. Opa. O, sige. Sarap po.
Masasabi kahapon kasi crispy yung kahapon eh.
Talaga. So, yan, ano siya, malambot lang.
Malambot na. Ano pong masasabi niyo po ma'am sa lasa ng buko juice? Worth 80 baht yan ma'am.
Makinig. Fresh coconut water. No sugar added. I'm so chansan. Yan kang Hi, Dodong! Hey, guys. May live band pala kayo dito. Sa lower deck actually kami. Yung ko lang kung bakit, but anyhow.
Dito may may mga dessert sila, assorted fruits, or watermelon, dragon fruit, melon. Oh, may pandan leaf noodles with coconut soup, creme brulee, cheesecake, may cold crepe, meron din chocolate mousse. Ano pa to? Toffee cake, panna cotata. Ano to? May coffee kung gusto nyo magkape or mag-tea after nyo kumain. Yan, dumami na. May bagong refill. Ano to? Stir-fried yellow curry. Baked spinach with cheese. Then they have the grilled lemongrass chicken. Mushroom cream cheese. Truffle soup. Pad Thai. Pad Thai. Pad Thai, my friend. Yeah. This is the chicken musang and curry. Curry. Meron din silang tenderloin steak with gravy sauce. Meron din sila also have the chicken spicy wings, ramen cooked on it. Lunchtime muna, umorder kami ng Thai fried rice with pork. Bilis ng service ito. Ayan, gutom na siya, hindi na siya makapakantay ng ibang pagkain.
Matabang? Pero pag naging mga lemon,
Lime. Okay, kaya na.
iba ka rin.
Our next entry is the Thai omelette. Wait lang. Bruh. Wait. Our next order is the Thai omelette. The first time natin. And now yung appetizer ni Saming. You can try that green curry.
Hindi nga. Ay, tingnan niyo guys. Full pork talaga in order namin. Ay, may kangkong.
Puro pork, no?
But
These are first time eating
this
pork with green curry.
Yeah.
Usually it's yellow.
But let's see if masarap. Masarap. Medyo matamis-tamis.
Ay, akala ko manghang. Siya manghang.
Parang may ano siya on. May bayabas. Green curry siya na medyo maanghang. Medyo matamis-tamis dahil sa bayabas.
Okay.
Bakit bayabas? Aray makmak.
Aroy makmak. Yung siya, may konting anghang.
Neknoy.
Pero naglalaban yung matamis sa anghang saka yung curry.
Neknoy.
Manipis yung pakahiwa ng baboy. Ito naman yung sun-dried pork. Our last order.
A few moments later.
Ayan guys, finally, ito yung po trending sa TikTok. The flying shrimp salad.
Jumping salad.
Jumping salad, right? Oh, it's a jumping salad, sorry. So, oh my gosh, ito na nga. Itatry natin yung buhay na shrimp na nag-jump-jump. Ay, tingnan mo, ting! I-reels po dong, ha? I-reels po ni. What? Ay, seryoso?
Walang may microphone.
Voice cancellation, ay? So, yun na nga guys, yung jumping salad. Trending siya sa TikTok, trending anywhere. So, finally, matry ko din dito sa Thailand, Bangkok, Jude Fair. So, ayan, buksan ko na. Hala, ako. Ba't lang sila basa? Ay! Hoy! Magpakain kayo, ba't kayo nag-jump? Para lang kumain ng kinilaw. Masarap yung salad nila, anghang, may lasa. Yung shrimp, parang kumain ng kinilaw na shrimp. Pero, parang nakakatakot kainin kasi yung ulo nila yung matulis na ulo nila. May buhok pa. Okay. Nakawa ko tuloy. Ang hanghang, di ba?
Sarap siya, jumping salad. Meron ito sa amin eh. Kaya lang sa amin mas malalaki. Yung iba naluto na sa suka.
Naluto na sa suka, parang patay na ata. How is it?
Good. Wala. Our last dinner here in Thailand.
Finally.
Ano tawag nito? Lengzeb?
Legs.
Lengzeb. Parang ganun. Buto to ng baboy. Buto ng baboy.
Parang sa nilagang baboy sa atin.
Parang spine ng baboy.
Kapag ka.
Tignan mo na. Parang mainit pa.
Tikman ko kayong sabaw. Uy, manghang to.
Maraming sili.
Manghang. Ang anghang. Ang anghang. Parang tom yum na walang na hindi red.
Ang sarap.
Manghang pero ang sarap, pero parang siyang tom yum na hindi red. For me.
Kala mo sa rice? All this time, kala ko spring onions lang to. Yun pala. Puro sili. Sarap.
Wala pa ng baboy. Masarap. Masarap pa. Wala pa na akong kumain. Padaming sili. Ayoko ng sili. Uy. Buto. Ang init. What? Ang anghang, Dudong.
Puro sili.
Kaya nila Dudong, mahilig ka naman sa anghang eh.
Iba yung anghang dito. Hindi yung tulad sa atin. Sarap.
Sarap?
Sarap ng green chili.
Ba makaanghang?
Para sa akin ako. Kumakain ako sili.
Bagay.
Kaya, para mo kainin ito, kailangan mo talagang kamayin. Para makuha mo yung buto. Oh. Dami oh.
Ngali dito dong.
Back ribs. Magkano to? 290 baht? 290 baht?
3.
390?
Ang lambot niya. Ang lambot niya na ano. At saka medyo matamis na maalat. Hindi mahalak, hindi mahanghang.
May sausawan na. May tatlong kaso, may mashed potato pa.
Para sa Lobong Center.